complete unboxing video. So you have to show first of all complete address and track number. Clearly you have to show. Don't say that we taken the video in without light. So please, while please do unboxing video with the full light effect only. You have to show complete 4 sides. There is a pasting here, so please use scissor only, because these are jewelries. Now some are opening very rudely, also throwing the box like that. So to avoid that, please use scissor. Okay. If anything not there, for example, if you book three jewels but you reach only one jewel, so that missed one also you have to show in unboxing video only. If any damages came, that one also you have to show completely in unboxing video. If any stone not there, pearl not there, everything you have to show in unboxing video only. Without this video, please don't ask me to exchange. Okay. So we need definitely unboxing video completely what I shown in video. And don't say that she is my relative, she is my friend, like that. So please, thank you. సో మా ఫ్రెండ్, మా రిలేటివ్స్ అండ్ నేనే ఓపెన్ చేశాను, నేనే ఓన్గా ఓపెన్ చేశాను. సో ఇలాంటి రీజన్స్ అయితే చెప్పకండి. ఓకేనా? థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్.